Hello, this is Stephen Cook. I'm a Cook Saw Manufacturing down in Alabama, and I wanted to share with you today about our AC4449 Supercut sawmill that is portable and fully hydraulic. It's a new mill that we've come out with just recently, and I just want to demonstrate it for you. It's November the 1st, 2019. Beautiful day down here in Alabama. And we had about a 40-degree swing in temperature from 80 degrees down to about 40 this morning. And so, but a beautiful place. You're gonna hear some helicopters flying around probably. We're not too far from Fort Rooker, Alabama. And so they have a lot of heliports, and you'll hear some of that. But wanted to share this with you, show you some things about it. We'll saw a couple of boards here in just a minute to let you see how our mill works. But it's based off the same mill as our AC36 that we built, been building for 25 years or more. And what we've done is we expanded that and made a super wide mill last year, but it wasn't portable. And so we've had people interested in the portable mill. We were very successful with the SW super wide mills. And so we wanted to put one that's portable. And so the maximum we can get is about 44 inches. We may can tweak out an inch or two more sometimes, but about 44-inch wide cut, but it is legal for carrying down the road. We've put the hydraulics on it so that we can cut a very large log. Standard is 2 squaring arms, 2 clamps, and 1 log turner. But we can add additional log turners. We can add other handling capabilities. We like to keep things in the same form of what we're building all the time, but we can add features. We can add conveyors and different things that might help you, or if you have an idea that you think would fit onto this mill to help you be able to handle the logs more fully, more easily, then we'll talk about that, and it may be something that we can do for you. We're able to do quite a few things here, and we want to help you make more money. We want to satisfy you so that you can do the work that you want to do better. So I'll crank this up and try to keep this a fairly short video, make a couple of cuts so you can see how it functions, but if we can help you in any way, just give us a call.